Hello students, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to discuss about pandas in Python. Okay, so here pandas is a Python library. Okay, so library is nothing but collection of packages. Okay, package is nothing but collection of modules. Modules is nothing but collection of classes, variables and functions. Okay, so here pandas is a Python library which is used to working with data sets. So in the previous classes we have discussed about NumPy. NumPy is used to create it is used to store the data in a continuous memory locations. Okay, but here these functions are used for analyzing data, cleaning, exploring and manipulating data. Okay, so NumPy is mainly used to store the data in a continuous memory locations, but here pandas is used to analyze the data, clean the data and explore the data and manipulate the data. Okay, the name pandas has referred to both the panel data and Python data analysis. Okay, so here pandas library was created by Wes MC Kinney in 2008. Okay, so this is the brief introduction about pandas. Next, why we use pandas? Okay, so here pandas allows us to analyze big data and make conclusions based on statistical theories. Okay, so pandas is a library which allows all the mathematical and statistical functions to work on data. Okay, so by using those mathematical functions and statistical functions we can analyze the data, we can clean the data and we can manipulate the data. Okay, so pandas can clean messy data sets and make them readable and relevant. Okay, so relevant data is very important in data science. Okay, so here Python is mainly used for data scientists. Okay, so those data scientists use these pandas libraries to clean the data, manipulate the data and prepare the data. Okay, next, so first we need to install the pandas from command prompt. Okay, so first you need to open the command prompt and next you need to use pip. Okay, so if you have Python and pip already, okay, so Python and pip already, then installation is easy. Okay, so first you need to open the command prompt and then you need to type pip install pandas, pip install pandas. Okay, so after that the pandas library is installed in your Python software and next open the Python editor, then you can use. Okay, so if you want to use the functions in pandas, first you need to import the pandas into Python editor. So first import pandas. Okay, so once pandas is installed, import it in your applications by adding import keyword. Okay, import pandas. Okay, so if you import the pandas, then you can use all the functions and variables and classes within the pandas library. Okay, so here pandas as PD. Most of the programmers rename the pandas as PD. Okay, pandas is usually imported under the PD alias. Okay, alias. In Python, alias are alternative names for referring to the same thing. Okay, so you can name as pandas or PD. Create an alias with the keyword with the as keyword while importing. So I am importing pandas and renaming as PD. Okay, so first you need to install from command prompt and then you need to open the Python editor, and in Python editor you need to use import pandas as PD. Okay, import pandas as PD. Just wait a second. Okay, so this is all about pandas introduction. Okay, so in the next class I will discuss about pandas data structures. So what are the data structures that pandas contain? Okay, so I hope it is clear. If you have any doubts regarding to this video, please comment me in the comment section. For more videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.